Hello everyone, I'm Bryan Fagan and I want to share a little bit about who I am and what drives me as a family law attorney. From a young age, I was fascinated by the legal world. It all started when I watched the film adaptation of John Grisham's The Pelican Brief. Inspired by that story, I knew I wanted to make a difference in people's lives as a lawyer. I come from Advocacy, which is a small town northeast of Houston. Growing up in a family of 4 siblings, including 2 adopted brothers, I learned the values of compassion and support. My father worked as an engineer while my mother dedicated her career to teaching. As the first lawyer in my family, I pursued my legal education at South Texas College of Law. It was during my time there that I discovered my true passion for family law. Family has always been at the center of my life. I chose to complete my undergraduate degree online and take care of my grandmother, who had Alzheimer's. Later, I attended law school's night study program while providing daytime care for my grandmother. After law school, I married my wife, and together we have 3 amazing children, James, Aaron, and Emily. The early years of our marriage were challenging, as my father passed away unexpectedly. This experience shaped me into a stronger person, lawyer, husband, and father. My deep understanding of the importance of family has made me dedicate and advocate for my clients. My experience covers a wide range of family law matters, including adoption, paternity, and mediation based in Houston and serving the surrounding areas. I actively participate in the Houston Family Law section of the Houston Bar and various family law organizations across Texas. As a proud business owner, devoted husband, and loving father of 3, I understand the challenges my clients face. My shared experience and unwavering dedication to family make the ideal advocate for families navigating complexities of family law. Thank you for joining me today. If you're looking for compassionate and experienced legal representation for your family law matter, I'm here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, your family's well-being is our top priority.